Hi, I'm Dennis Taboda with DTI Training, and I want to talk to you today about SMS integration. This is where we actually perform the SMS duties at a particular company remotely. 3 years ago, when we started the concierge concept, we developed this SMS integration model. Now, today, I want to talk to you about a modification of that model where your company would still maintain the SMS Manager. And we, as integrators, would take over two of the most critical functions of the SMS. Remember, this is how the SMS works. Your SMS Manager would receive reports from the company, right? These reports would be either incident reports or hazard reports. They would be indicating certain things. And remember, the first step in the SMS engine is risk assessment. This is where the integrator would take over. The SMS Manager will simply pass the reports on to the integrator. The integrator would have already set up an SMS team in your company. The SMS team is made up of people from your company that we would be in contact, and this team would rotate periodically. What we would do is we would set up our proprietary email system that would actually send the hazard or incident with the email template for risk assessment to the team. The team would form its probability and severity ratings, send it back to the integrator. The integrator would then compile it and come up with a risk rating for that hazard or incident and report that back to your SMS Manager. So all of the risk assessment in your company would be taken care of by the integrator, freeing up your SMS Manager to perform other duties. Second, is the integrator could be used alongside your SMS Manager for root cause analysis. In other words, an incident comes in. The SMS Manager simply passes it over to the integrator. The integrator contacts the team. They come up with a risk assessment rating. Once the rating is determined to require root cause analysis, the SMS integrator passes that on to the team to perform its root cause analysis through our proprietary system. Remember, there are no meetings that need to take place here. All of this is done remotely. And this became a big thing when the pandemic started last year. And so now it's become a big part, but a lot of companies don't want to give up their SMS Manager. So we have decided to add these two levels of risk assessment and root cause analysis only to work and help your SMS system to function. Remember now, this system where we have the SMS Manager performing their normal functions and then passing along the RA and the RCA to the integrator would allow the system to continuously improve, because the integrator would be sending back the information needed to facilitate the corrective action plans and so forth. So to determine the level of integration in your company, this can be scaled to your company. Again, because it's scaled and you still have your SMS Manager, there's a tremendous savings in providing this function to help your system to continuously improve. If you have any questions on the SMS integration 3-tier level, please email me at dtaboda@dtiatlanta.com, or you can contact us through our webpage, dtiquality.com. Take a look at our YouTube videos on SMS integration and the SMS engine, which I mentioned here. This would be an integral part of that. And of course, don't be a stranger and contact me if you have any questions. Again, thank you, and look forward to working with your SMS Manager and your company.